This is Realme V60 Pro, and today I'll show how you can transfer files between different storages on this device. So first step, find and launch the File Explorer app. The default one on this phone is My Files, so that's what I'll go with. Next, select the storage you would like to move your files from, or select the storage medium that your files originate from. So I'll send my files or move my files between device storage or from device storage to an SD card. So I'll go with device storage. Then locate your files or the files you would like to transfer. So mine should be in the picture screenshots folder. Now select all the files you would like to move. Once they are selected, press move here, then SD card. Then select what folder you would like to put them into. I'll just drop all of my files to the main SD card. Root directory, should I say. So press move here, wait a few seconds. And now should I open the SD card storage instead of device storage, I'll find all of my screenshots or all of the files I've transferred right where I have dropped them to. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.